In today's video, I am going to show you some tips and tricks that I use for everyday bathroom maintenance in this new collaboration series hosted by my friend Jessica Myros and my friend Joy from Organized with Joy called Homemaking to the Rescue. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. You guys know I love my Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, so I will be back next week with the Tiny Tidy Tuesday, but one Tuesday a month I will be participating in this collaboration hosted by my friends Joy and Jessica, and this is a Homemaking to the Rescue collaboration where you can find lots of housekeeping motivation. And I think you guys will absolutely love this. I think it's a great idea. So I thought for me today, what I would do is take you through like a regular bathroom cleaning session with me. I'm not going to be doing a ton of bathroom cleaning, but I just wanted to kind of show you how I do my bathroom cleaning and what products I use and what products I would recommend. Every time I clean my bathroom, and this is just me, but I do like to wear some gloves that I do wash and clean afterwards and sanitize, all that good stuff. But I definitely recommend using gloves when you clean your bathroom. And then I'm going to show you some of the other products that I use as I clean. I think I'm going to clean my toilet today. I'm going to clean my mirror, my sinks, and I think I'm going to clean my tub. So I'm going to give you guys, so I hope this gives you guys some ideas when you're cleaning your bathroom, maybe some things you did not think about or some products that you would like to try, or maybe it'll just motivate you to clean your bathroom as well today too. So let's get busy cleaning this primary bathroom. I'm going to clean my toilet. And to clean my toilet or this area, I always turn on the fan so that I have some ventilation so the smells do not get to me. I either use this 7th generation disinfecting wipe to wipe down the toilet area. I wipe the whole toilet down completely, including the trash can. I do that at least once a week, but this works really well. But today I'm going to use another product that I'm really liking, and that is this Method Anti-Bac. And I'm going to wipe with paper towels. I spray it and let it sit while I clean out the trash can, and then I wipe it all down. Then to clean my toilet bowl, I use the Method Anti-Bac toilet cleaner. And again, I let it sit for a little bit before I scrub it. And then I'm going to put my brush, I'm going to like hang it to dry just a little bit. And then I will be ready to go. And of course, I've got my gloves ready because I do like to wear my gloves when I clean the toilet. Personal preference, if you don't like to do that, don't do it. But if you do, then get some cute little gloves that make cleaning the toilet a little better. So full transparency here. My least favorite chore is cleaning the toilet. I absolutely despise cleaning my toilet. I try to do it very often, but I do not like to do it. So I always spray the product and give it time to do its job. So I just kind of walk away, let it sit there, and then I clean the product back off. I also want to apologize for the lighting in here. I have no idea, but this room, it's something with the lighting. It always makes everything look dingy. I can clean in another room in my home that's like really dirty and you cannot see the dirt, but I clean in this room and it looks like I have dirt where there is no dirt. Kind of weird, but that's the case in this particular room. I also let the toilet bowl cleaner sit in the toilet
while I wipe out my trash can in this case, and again let it do the hard work for me, and then I just take the brush and scrub it, and I am ready to go there. So those are just some things that work for me when I'm cleaning, and I do like to hang my toilet brush and let it dry, and then whenever it dries I can put it back into the container, and that way I don't have to deal with the water or the icky stuff, because like I said, honestly my least favorite thing to clean in my whole house is the toilet. Let me know in the comments your least favorite thing to clean. Is it the toilet too, or is the toilet just me?
Now, as I clean my sink area, I'm just going to be doing daily maintenance or just like not a deep clean. So what I find most beneficial to use for my spray is the 7th generation glass cleaner. I think this works really well. And to clean up the glass spray, you can use a microfiber cloth that is just for glass if you want to. You can use this on your mirrors, your countertops, on any glass you have. Today I am using the 7th generation recycled paper towels. You can use whichever one you want to use. Also, coffee filters work really great if you want a streakless shine when you're cleaning your mirrors.
So as I just watched that clip back, I cringed again because, like I said, something is up with the lighting in here. The lighting just really wants to torture me. So now I'm going to remove everything from my vanity and my sink area. I like to do this even whenever I'm just doing a light clean so that I do not have anything to compete with. Then I'm going to spray my mirror and my countertops with the 7th generation glass cleaner. Remember when you clean your mirrors to start at the top and clean down, and then I'm just going to wipe out the sinks and I will be done in this area.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher, and I love to teach you guys how to do a variety of things here on my channel. I am also a heart warrior. A few years ago, I went into heart failure due to a virus, and I like to show you that you can do things living with a chronic illness. So I would absolutely love to have you in my growing YouTube family. Please click on that subscribe button and remember to turn those bell notifications on. I love to hear from you guys in the comments. Lately, my comments have been a little wacky, and sometimes I do not get them until a couple of weeks later, but I do always try to get back to each and every one of you, and I love all of you guys so much.
The last area I'm going to be cleaning in my bathroom is my garden tub, and I use this for regular maintenance. This is one of those dishwashing wands that you can get at the grocery store or Dollar Tree or anywhere you shop. I fill it half with vinegar and half with dishwashing soap. And it really works great to break up the soap scum. It works great to use every day. I feel like it's not this harsh, heavy product. However, on days that I am doing a deeper clean, I like to use the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream. This works really well on tubs and tiles and that kind of thing. And you probably saw me use this one on the sinks because I use it on the sinks as well. I use it on a daily basis. I even keep one in the shower, and after I'm finished in the shower, I just clean it down, with this and I am done, and it's so easy to maintain it. And then I just have an old towel that I take just to dry things up. So I am going to get busy using this and just giving my tub a quick clean, and then I will be done in this bathroom.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, do what you like.
I hope that you got some inspiration and some motivation, and if you like this step-by-step what I use and a little demonstration, then let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see like how I do a bathroom deep clean or other rooms like this, just let me know. I love the idea of this Homemaking to the Rescue collaboration. Again, do not forget to check out Jessica's channel at Jessica Myros and Joy's channel at Organized by Joy. And I'm going to link a collaboration playlist in my description box below. Go show everybody participating some love. I will be back next Tuesday with a tiny, tidy Tuesday and some other videos here and there in between. Do not forget to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.